Welcome back to another Dollar Tree Empties video. I don't have a ton, but I still wanted to share them with you. We're going to start with body washes and stuff. So I have the Daily Defense Tropical Coconut Body Wash. It's 18 fluid ounces. Totally worth the dollar. It was nice and creamy. Had a nice light coconut scent, really. It didn't linger on the skin, but a lot thicker body wash than most Dollar Tree products. So I was pleased with it, and I will repurchase other scents in the future. I have the White Rain Kids Body Wash in Bubbles. This is tear-free, and it's in the scent Pure Splash, and it is like a more high-potent, clean, crisp kind of scent. And it says it's dye-free, paraben-free. It is a clear body wash. And when I used this as body wash, it did make a ton of bubbles in the tub as well. I never initially used it for bubble bath, but it would work good for the bubble bath as well. So overall, I've repurchased this twice now, and I really like it. You get 12 fluid ounces for $1. Another product I love at the Dollar Tree are the Band-Aids. So I have an empty Jurassic World. You get 20 of these in here. Connor loves Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, all the dinosaur stuff, and he really enjoyed these Band-Aids. And then we just opened and emptied out the Power Rangers, which he's starting to get into Power Rangers too. So 20 bandages of all our children's favorite characters, and even characters we liked as children as well. I remember being really into the Power Rangers too, and Jurassic World. It's really neat that we can find them at the Dollar Tree for $1. You really can't beat that price for Band-Aids. I got a pack of these Assured 5-blade razors. I love these razors. This is the 3 count, and I will continue to repurchase these. I really love the way that they shave, and they're really good for $1. Also, I have a lint roller, super sticky one, or the extra sticky one, I believe, and it has the design on it. And I like this for nail art, and I use these all the time, so I'll definitely be repurchasing those. The Yes to Carrots Nourishing Facial Wipes, and I like these wipes. I think they did a good job, but they did give me a little skin irritation, and I don't think that I'll repurchase them. They did do a good job, but the burning and redness that my skin was going through after using these is not a repurchase for me. But you get 25 of them for $1, and it's really a steal for the Yes brand. So I do recommend buying the Yes brand stuff at Dollar Tree if you can find it, but be leery. I also have these LA Colors press-on nails, and these actually came from the Family Dollar, but I'm putting them in the Dollar Tree section of the empties that I'm doing, because you can find the LA Colors press-on nails at the Dollar Tree. These were the Geo Mania set, and they were just really nice. I like their false nails, so I would definitely repurchase those. I have an LA Colors pressed powder, actually, in beige. Finish this up. These are a good pressed powder. It doesn't make you look cakey. I just use it to set my foundation, and I've repurchased this several times over in ivory and in the beige shade. I really love it. And then last but not least, we have a few candles. So I have the Air Fresh candle in Cashmere Woodlands. These are the Old Williamsburg candles. It's 3 ounces. I will repurchase this one again. I had done a full review on the Air Fresh candles. It will be linked in the description box below. This one smelled really good. It burned very nicely, and the throw was there. Just a very nice overall fall scent. Definitely going to grab that one again. I have an empty watermelon candle. I love the jar candles. They typically do have great throws, most of them anyways. This was a nice scent. It burnt great, and I hope that they have the watermelon next year as well. Also, this is Old Williamsburg as well. This one is as well, and these are the bigger candles they've been carrying in salted caramel. Now, this burnt great, but disappointing in the throw. Like, the scent was kind of there, but basically if you just want the scent in your kitchen. It didn't have a massive throw, and I think that these are still a great gift giving item, but If you're looking for a super high-pitched candle from, say, Dollar Tree, this is not it. I would suggest getting the jar candles that are like maple or cinnamon, scents like that. Pumpkin scents there are going to be better than that salted caramel candle right there. And then the last item I have to share with you guys is the, now this is from a holiday collection, I think at the beginning of this year, possible last year, December-ish, but it's the little coffee kind of like candles, and I'm not sure the brand on this one, but this one burnt gray, and it's called Nutmeg Spice Coffee. This throw was awesome. It still smells amazing, and hopefully they will bring them back out again this year. I think these will make great gifts. Look how cute the packaging is. And I really enjoyed this one. I loved it. I almost forgot this little candle here. This was from back in the summer. I think this was Brazilian Sunrise. And these are soy candles. And although it did smell good in the jar, it had no throw. It burnt decent. And I think I will repurpose this really adorable ombre candle jar. It's like a frosted ombre, orange and purple and red. So beautiful. And that's all for the empties. I hope you enjoyed the Dollar Tree empties. I do have reviews on a lot of the products already, so check the description box for a lot of additional Dollar Tree links. Stay tuned for more videos, and subscribe, ring the bell, and like the video if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.